Now we are into the grid tool, graph tool. And inside the graph, we have mentioned how many rows and columns to be get done on the left top corner. Okay. So columns and rows are done. So first columns and the rows, 8 rows are there. And the beauty is like, it looks like the lines, but it is not a line. These are the boxes. And these boxes are in group. And in the before session, we have learned how to make ungroup, Control U. And the job is done. Now I can get it out. So easy. So hope we have understood now how to make multi-line, multi things. Is it clear? Will I move to the next? So hope we have understood now how to make the boxes. Now any checker box can be done. 8 by 8 is for chessboard. So hold the control button and drag it up. 8 by 8 grid is ready, and Control U is to ungroup at this, grouping and ungroup. And then after yes, select, 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 and get it black. Select, 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 and black. So hope we have understood now how to make a chessboard in CorelDRAW within very less time. Just fill the blacks. So 8 by 8 grid is okay. Now, a little math or little science-based design. Watch to the screen. If somebody asks you to make like, okay, if you are from science background, you might be knowing periodic table, right? So periodic table is a big scientific table, which is chemistry table, which is always used. So I'm from science background. So periodic table is of 7 periods, and here you can find like 2, and this is 10 boxes, and here more 6 boxes are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Just I'm making a rough periodic table. So 7, what you can say, rows, and 10 plus 2 plus 6, 18 columns are there. So let us make it up. What is the requirement? 18 column and 7 rows. Just to make you know like how this complex design can be done much more easily. So get it on group. So this is now on group, and on the top range are deleted. So here you can select this bunch of things and delete. Fine, hydrogen and helium boxes are there, and here the 2 boxes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So this much of things to get deleted. Just to let you know like how does a required scientific table can be done. So these are like similar groups in periodic table. Just to show you like how practical market is needing and where you can able to fit. If we know a little concept, if any particular field, then a very big work will be assigned. Is it okay? And the last one is 2 and 14, like the D group elements, F group elements are there. This is 14. Yes, this information will be provided to you, but yes, as an artist, we need to make this kind of things. So hope we can make it easy for a school student to understand what is periodic table and how many things are there. If the teacher is helping, then as a designer, it is expected like you'll be helping them to provide the graphics. And this is what the Baizu, Vedanto, all these people are doing. Is done. Does this example reaching everyone? So which one, Uma? I didn't get this periodic table. Mean, does the voice
No,
reaching?
sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir, yes, please again explain starting, sir.
Yes. How to make this periodic table from the starting?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay. Fine. Step number one, take a new file. And step number two, like here, the basic is to be get clear. Like periodic table is of 18 row, like columns, and 7 rows are there in periodic tables. 7 rows by 18. This is what the periodic table, and the special two are there, 2 with 14. So SPDF, like these are like things are there, which is a little math oriented. The first group is S and P is here. The 6 groups are there here, and the D is of 10 and F is of 14. So the value of SPDF in chemistry, if you are from chemistry background, might be knowing. So this is 2, 6, 10, 14. So this is what the periodic table is arranged. That's a rough information providing, because artists should understand this. So what is happening on the design? That's why the first group is P, the second group is P, this is T, and the FEs will be separate. Please watch onto the screen. Yes, I do understand it is a little difficult to understand the concept, but if you go to the studio or any ad agency, if it is science fiction design, then they will explain like you like this, and they will do a rough diagram like this. And by understanding this diagram, we need to draw. So roughly you got to know this is first thing. 7 by 18 graph has to be done first. So as if you got to know, this graph tool can able to help us to make the graph. So this is your columns. Column, how many required? 18 columns and 7 rows required. So here you can draw like this with the control or shift button. Yes, we can handle it a little proper. Once more. Yes. Just I'm dragging roughly. Once the design is done, then it is a time only to go for deleting. And before deleting, you need to ungroup it and then select and delete. So the first 2 is a single color, and the second 6 also of single color. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Where this is S group and that is P group element. On the top side, only 2 elements are there, hydrogen and helium. So I'm from a science background, so a little information I do have. So this is what the chemistry table, periodic table is. Then this is the D group element. And at the end, we can go for like the 14 F group element is of 14 by 2. Yes, 2 rows are extra for anthanides or some technical terms they use. So this is how the periodic table is done, and everything is different. So we can make the colors of similar, like S. This is the S group element, but it is this is a S group element which is kept here. So it could be of the same color. It is there arranged in here because of noble gas. These are like, so they react similar manner. Noble gas color could be separate. Just not need to get by heart all things, but make you know like what we learn and what can be done. It may be entertainment chessboard, or it may be a scientific design, your periodic table, and a lot. So once your information is connecting to any particular technology or need, then the design value becomes rise. Because here we cannot able to make a hit and trial. We cannot able to put a single box extra because this is fixed. And because it is fixed, so the value for it. Is it okay? And extra information could be add of like later on. Yes, we have not started with the text, but layout making is to be done. If this is done, then you start up making some more. What my goal is speaking over here is not to make you strain. Learning is okay, but make a atomic structure of carbon. So this will be the requirement on the user end, atomic structure. So when this information goes with a particular number, then your value becomes rise. So here hydrogen element is there, noble gas, inert gas are there. So D group element, then we can name it up. So my goal of speaking is like very simply and very fastly we can draw a periodic table, which is a complex structure for a school going student to get lines. So instantly you can take a printout and the job is finished. So this is one of the application of the present knowledge. Now switching to the next part is atomic structure or solar system, how it could be done. So SPDF are there, the first KLM, and these groups are there. Maybe we will be, if you are working somewhere in Baiju and all things, then this knowledge will help you out. And no big rocket science. Once they start up paying you, you can understand all these things. Right now, yes, this is this nucleus and where orbits are there, and in the orbit, the first orbit, the maximum capacity, how much, like 2 cells, 2 electrons can be revolved maximum. The first orbit, like so, you can make the structure. So how to get done? Yes, by duplicating and pressing them. Second, plus 8 will be there. Just I'm hitting the plus button and getting it errors. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and one more 8. Okay, so this is how the atomic structure start working, and information will be add up later. Which cell name what, which cell name what is their capability, and we can define a different color to the subject, and you can send it back. Place it based on the color. Fine. So second example on your screen. So we have learned circle, but make a physical output relevant to a concept, not only logo designing or other things. Take the concept and get it wrong. So carbon and its structure. So 6 is the atomic number of carbon. So in the outer cell, if 2 are there inside and 4 are there outside. So this is the carbon structure. It's okay. Just it is showing a ideal atomic structure and what is the carbon structures. They want the things to be done and give a structure of their explanations, whatever they are explaining. So I'm not telling like you make only the science fiction to be get done. If you are from arts background, whatever the knowledge we have gained in our schools, plot them up in CorelDRAW now. So you can think for like science, it is more chemistry based. Like photosynthesis. Take a topic and convert that into artwork. I have taken a chemistry topic, periodic table, and forming that with your which tool? Graph paper tool. And the next, basic structure and forming a carbon structure. All the information available on the net, get the information and draw it up. And gaming oriented chessboard. Hope it is clear. Till now it's okay. So the task, make some informative boxes on screen which throw some information. Not only entertainment, but it should be informative. So these two structure are clear. Now more. So impact tool, just have a try. What is this impact is doing? Like, I don't know. I've not used impact tool. This is a new tool which come up here in this version. So wait for a while. It creates some radial lines. So you can get the number to more or change something. It is there. You check and get it radial or parallel. Yes, I have not used more. So have a try this, because this came up in this version only. So hope like all these tools are done up with basic steps. Now we'll go to a special tool, and the special tool is called Artistic Media Tool. What is the tool? Artistic Media Tool. Before that, Smart Drawing is a tool. Let us understand what is this. Name of the tool, Smart Drawing. Shift S. Okay. So whenever we are describing something regarding the pre-production or like storyboarding, you are explaining some concept to the client, then always it requires some basic steps to understand it is faster, but the description will be happening in this scribble manner. So let us take what is this smart drawing is doing. There is a boundary around the house. So you can see, if you're making a boundary, if it is almost like similar to a circle, it will turn into a circle automatic. So hope we got to know smart drawing is a very clever tool. He understands what we are speaking and what is this drawing is. So there is a bounding box. Inside this, there is a building. So roughly we are drawing. So it's to understand it is to be a rectangle. And there is a like cone shaped building here. So you understand this is a triangle to be done up. So hope we have understood now what is the smart drawing is doing and how it convert a scribble drawing into a basic drawing. So if it is a random line, he kind of how to understand. So it will be like that. But if it is nearby line like circle, rectangle, triangle, polygon, then software understand the shapes and make the basic steps instantly to save your time. So hope we have understood now what is called smart drawing and how it is different from the others too. So exactly in the same way, how do the smart drawing is working now? We do have an option called smart filling. So what is the option? Smart filling. So let us see how do the smart filling is working. Example, we have crisscross 4 line. And we want to fill a color inside, then it is very difficult in CorelDRAW to fill inside it. It need to blend, cut, to join, a lot of works. At that point, this will help us. What is this called? Smart Filler. Inside your toolbar, at the extreme down, you can find an option called Smart Filler. Right? So once we are switching on this Smart Filler, then the software will ask which color you want to fill. Yes, you can take any color. And immediately the software asks where you want to fill the color. So just click here. So what we have seen now, how to make a open shape turn into a closed shapes. What is the task we have learned? How does a closed shape created by the open shape can fill color? It is possible to fill the color. It's a very important tool. Focus to the screen. Name of the tool, Smart Filler. Smart Fill. It like as if like we have seen smart drawing. Smart drawing as if smart filler. So which is more important tool now? So what is the science behind this tool, or what is the coding behind this tool? Even if it is an open line and it is creating some code sets, like some closed sets, then it could be filled by the option called clone, like filler, smart filler. Just one click, job is done. Smart filler. And the beauty, we can separate it out outside and get the other color too. Smart filler is a very powerful tool. Hope the smart filler logic is clear. Now, if it is done, then the job is clear. Have a double click, fit to the screen. Now take the point tools. So we know how to make this point tool to get to work out with the help of what? 2-point, 3-point rectangle. So whichever the angle we want, we can get it placed. And then after, take the smart tool, click, over, out, out. So only 2-button click and it make the cuts ready. The same way? Yes. It's the same. Now we can make fill the next color here, smart filler. Again, delete this. So hope we have understood now how does the smart filler can able to help us. Is it done? Smart filler, okay? So making logo becomes much more easier. So take the circle, get it okay. Draw the line randomly on your screen by the help of your freehand drawing. And get a duplicate by plus button and bring it to down and fill the color by 1, 2. So hope we have understood now how to make a logo design. Finish now. So to make a cut, dressing, everything is just a line and smart filler. So a very powerful tool we have learned, smart filler. Next. So making like clothes to cut and all, then smart filler can able to help us. Fine, it is a comparative study before your smart object and smart filler. Now artistical media and live sketch. So let's start with the artistical media. So artistical media is again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 category are there. By default preset is there. So it is a beauty tool. What is the beauty in it? It is just a line, but having 2 features. It does have fill and it does have a stroke property. So while you are working outside of this tool, it make you to fill the object. But while coming to this shape tool, it is a part of the curriculum. Fine. Then how to changes the property of the preset. So click outside, it will show the information in a thicker way and then gets it changed. But I'm not going to make you more focus on this artistic and media now. But today's task is like get the grid tool to get use in an artistic, informative way. Infographics is more important. Then here we can handle a lot of type of brushes are there, which we can switch to any brush we want. So artistical media, then controlling by the shape tool. Right now. And after the artistical media is applied, yes, you can increase the thickness. And once the thickness is changed, yes, if you wish to continue, yes, you can continue and get the work to be done by dragging. No, if we need to get it close, yes, by the help of your or expand. So now we'll be switching to a next topic called object. Break artistical media group apart, Control K. Then there are two things coming outside. One is the stroke and the second is fill and stroke. So inside the fill, yes, right. So hope this character we have understood. Then after the art is there. Now we'll be switching to the artistical part. Take the artistical media tool, drag it out. So hope the thing is finished. Now get it done. To go for Control K. After that, yes. Now here, one point to be add up and get it smooth. Smooth. Okay. That's it. So what you have seen from a simple line, this art has been done. And get it move inside. So hope we've understood now how the structure is done through artistical media. Is it okay? So here we have made the theory to get clear and here the practical. And from this place, we can get the eyeball to get out. So what we can do, smart filler is already there. And yes, it will be delete instant. Right. So I just made it down very slow so that at least some scientific things we have tried over here and some entertainment things has been tried. Some concept art has been used. Threading work, tail work, all the things has done a tie, like we have tried on this tool, artistical media, and that to be only in preset. We have not entered to the next part also. Inside the preset itself, we can make whichever the snake position you want and get it created. Take the artistical media tool, get. So this is a structure. So you can see like how much complex structure it is. And here, yes, Control K is a command, break apart. And the next, we can get it out, give a right click, and this portion can be add up extra. So And this portion, we can able to add extra points by double clicking over here and get it come here and switch to the smooth presentation and get all the things to turn into smooth format. Is it okay? So hope we can find now how this complex structure can be done. So now I started with very simple flow, then slowly convert into crisscross line. And this is a baseline, which is the skeleton of this. You can switch here and there a little and get a cut. So cutting can be done. And after cutting, yes, we know how to get the next color. Select both and get a cut. And this part is with a different color now. So let us get this part and Control K, object, break apart, and get this portion to be with a next color. Just it is a different approach, but we can go in artistic manner. But the thing of learning here, artistical media give a skeleton for you, where we can make the structure, then we can able to get it separate and feel different colors. So conclusion, the future design will be completely on artistical media tool. Leaf also. Yes, you can generate the leaves. So the learning is artistic media tool, hotkey I. And inside that, how many things are there? 4 things are there. We have learned what? Preset only. Predefined things. So the task of the day. Make a chemistry, or like I am not focusing on chemistry, any particular concept you know in your school, convert that into a basic frame. Either it is a small beaker or any school education systems book example, whichever it is there in your brain, bring it up, because the imagination is coming onto the screen or not, that is the task to be checked, and that is the task to be done. Because while sitting on the radiations, we do have enough thought, but sometimes it doesn't come out. It happens 90%. Does it is a case happening on your end, then nothing to get worried. It is case for everyone, and we'll be learning in that manner. So because we need to focus on the line or on the design or on the concept, it is a very hectic job. So directly you can feel the color, but the skeleton is under your control. You can change the skeleton at any time. So preset is a predefined design which behaves as like a fill color directly, but it is under the control of the stroke. So before we have seen like we are creating the strokes, but it doesn't have a style about it. It doesn't feel like directly. It is only right click to feel the things. But here directly you can feel it behaves just like a fill. So we have taken a lot of exercises to understand this tool. Then what is the difference between artistical media tool and the freehand tool? This could be a question. If answer is said, very nice, or else get it asked. Fine. So let's move into the artistical media's controller. So these many tools are there, these many shapes are there. We can draw it freely. So hope we can see now getting a smiley kind of things are all easy. Right? Just roughly we're drawing with a style, and later on we can get the size down. Select any one and try this. So this is to get the size down. And one size is okay, then if you need to get change color, directly you can change the color. But if we need to get the shape to be changed, then we need to go for object break apart. Break apart artistical media has to on. Then two skeleton, like one skeleton will come, and over to that overlap thing will be there. So get it out. And it is a fill object now. So we can change this. Hope this exercise is known and it is vector. You can do magic on it. So the summary of the class is this. We have started with a little entertainment, but slowly we have entered into the science-based design. Then we have understood little chemistry, atomic structure kind of things. Then split screen technique with smart filler and a smart tool, which Scribble can be turned into fundamental or basic shapes. And the next artistic media tool with preset and logo designing and object design. Logo, object. So all these things happen inside the classroom. But yes, we need to put in a systematic order, but we have learned not big thing, only artistic media and smart drawing and smart filler. So with that, hope we can able to make the design ready. If it is so, then we can move one more step ahead, that is called brush tool. So in the brush, in this artistic media, there is an option called brush. We can draw the brush, which is predefined now. A different type of brushes are there. We can go to any brush we wish. So it is not showing on the top side. So I'm just making it smaller and trying to see all the brushes. So we can create our own brush and get it used. So let us take a new page. Artistic media brush. In preset, what happens? Only software given design has to be used. But in brush, we can create our own design. So all the designs are already done. So I'm just placing them. And the very best beauty, we can make it to get scale to a different dimension also. And the next part, if we need to apply this particular style over to this, yes, it is possible. You can switch to the artistic media and get that design to get active. Go for OK. So hope we can see in the television series and all, a lot of this kind of designs are done to be get animate. And we can draw this with very less time with CorelDRAW, which option artistical media brush. So user-defined design can be applied to the basic object by the help of your brush in CorelDRAW. So then after, yes, if we wish to continue with the thickness, it's okay, or else we can rise it up. Or else if you need to break them and change the color, yes, object, break artistic media group apart. And then after what? Yes, still it is there in a group. We can make it to get separate by the help of your ungrouping object. So already it is groups or ungrouping. Then individual part, individual color. So hope we have understood how to make a motion graphics concept like thing with the present knowledge. So how to generate the brush we'll be learning in the next session. But for the timing, it is very clear, like artistical media tool doesn't only have presets, predefined design, it also allow user defined to come onto the design. This is possible. Now, how to create our own design and how to save that and how to apply it on it in the next session will be same. Any question you can ask, or else you can stop now. So the summary is clear, task is clear. So task, make some logo designing and make some puppet, make a cover page designing and split screen. This is not cover page only, it is a split screen technique, how you are splitting the screen and placing the object through the which option? Smart filler. So smart filler is a very powerful option. Is it done? That's it for the day. We'll meet up in the next session again with the higher options. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Thank you very much.